Resellers, are you ready for the ultimate cheat code?
Game over? No way! Cause we got Game Genie!
I'm about to drop that fire that no one else is willing to give to you. Let's level up. Let me be upfront. Resellers, if you invest time into watching my videos, you will get that time back 100x. I'm talking about real cheat codes, tools, flips, shortcuts that will save you time and make you more money. No BS.
AI is evolving, and so is the hustle. We're not guessing anymore, we're calculating.
Alright, so for the first cheat code, I introduce to you CyberLens. It's a bulk cropper, rotator, and item identifier tool for your picks. Boring! Yo, chill! This is the first cheat code, alright? You gotta unlock this one to make the second one even work. This is how the series is built. It stacks. You miss the foundation, you'll miss the play. On the surface, it sounds basic. It simply eliminates the cropping and rotating of your picks one by one before listing. But it's also a crucial step to sourcing online. You're gonna wanna stick around to see why. Skip this step and the rest of the cheat codes fall apart. That's why I'm starting here. Alright YouTube, we're gonna jump straight into this demo for CyberLens. First thing first, what you're going to want to do is open up your file folder with all your picks. Now, the way this app works is it uses an OpenCV script behind the scenes that does face and text detection to auto-rotate your images.
That is some nerdy shit, man.
So what I'm going to do right now is select all the images in this folder and hit the autocorrect button. From there, I'll manually fix any items that need to be rotated to clean things up. Once I have all the rotations right, click the OK button, and that'll apply all the corrections. Now, let's move on to the bulk cropper. I'm going to go ahead and select these three items and create my crop square and drag it where I want it and hit enter. And just like that, the crop is applied to all of them. Now for the final feature, the item identifier. This is where I kill two birds with one stone. I'm going to show you how I get my eBay listing titles and how I identify my items that I source online. This is a Facebook marketplace listing that I picked up a few weeks ago for $100. And I'm going to just use this as an example. Use the image downloader extension in Chrome to download all the pics from this listing. Then jump right back into CyberLens and load all those pics that I just downloaded. It looks like some of them need to be rotated properly and cleaned up a little bit. The reason why I do this is to help GPT get better accuracy when identifying the item. Click this edit button next to the item identifier button. As you can see, I already have a universal collectibles prompt preloaded. You can add, delete, swap out prompts as needed. If you're working with clothing, electronics, sports cards, you can modify the prompt to whatever fits. Now hit the item identifier button. GPT loads up, and as you can see, the universal prompt is ready to go. I upload the pics that I want to identify, hit enter, and now it's going to run the task. I've set up this prompt to also export an Excel spreadsheet for me. So once it's done, I'm going to download that spreadsheet, open it up. As you can see, the Facebook Marketplace listing had 18 items in it. And in the spreadsheet, there's 18 items listed accurately. Now let's talk quick about why this method matters. Before CyberLens, I was manually cropping and rotating every image individually, and then going tab to tab to figure out what each item was on eBay. Man, that takes forever. Now I can crop, rotate, and identify all in one flow. And I'm getting GPT generated titles I can actually use for listings. It saves me hours, it cuts the headache, and it gives me real data to work with. But as promised, I told you if you waited till the end of this video, I would make it worth your while. Let me give you a sneak peek of the next cheat code I'm dropping. Insta ROI. Remember that spreadsheet I just downloaded from the Facebook listing? I'm gonna go ahead and load that up into this calculator. Next up, Insta ROI. You're gonna want to subscribe if you want the next cheat code. Believe me. Every time I drop a new tool, you're unlocking another level, another shortcut, another way to win. So hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and get ready. Level 2 is right around the corner. CyberLens is available for download right now. Link is in the description. Don't sleep. Quick heads up for my Mac people. If you plan on using CyberLens on the Mac, you need to go through a one-time setup using the README file included. But once you're dialed in, you're good for every tool I drop after this. No need to redo it every time. And if you hit a wall, comment or DM. I got you. AI Resell Nerd, out.